Good morning, students. Why are you making noise in the class? What are you talking about?
Sir, Amal and John are fighting.
What's the matter?
Sir, these guys are always teasing each other. They are having arguments on their financial background.
Sir, he's always making fun of me. That's why I called him like that.
Amal, are you there?
Sir,
You don't have the right to say like that.
sorry, sir.
Students, you should remember that we all are equal and you should not discriminate anyone throughout your life. It's a last warning and don't repeat it.
Sorry.
Okay, last class we were discussing about Nelson Mandela. Today I am showing here a presentation to know more about Nelson Mandela.
The apartheid system of Africa divided the people based on their skin color as whites and non-whites. Non-whites were forbidden to involve the social activities by law. People opposed the system by civil disobedience campaigns, national strikes, and boycotts. In 1940s, Nelson Mandela joined the struggle. He had become an important leader in the struggle against apartheid. He spent a lifetime to fight against the system. Mandela spent 27 years in prison and he was released in the year of 1990. Finally, democratic elections were held in South Africa in 1994 and Mandela became the first black president of a new nation.
Last class I had given a homework to collect some information about Nelson Mandela. Have you done it? Okay, then Jalen, you read it out.
Okay, sir. Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela was a political leader and a philanthropist who served as a president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999.
Nelson Mandela International Day is also known as Mandela Day.
Mandela Day is not meant as a public holiday, but as a day to honor the legacy of Nelson Mandela.
Mandela Day is held on July 18 each year.
July 18 is the birthday of Nelson Mandela.
Widely regarded as an icon of democracy and social justice, he received more than 250 honors, including the Nobel Peace Prize, and became a subject of cult person.
He was the country's first black head of the state and first elected in a fully representative democratic election.
Mandela served 27 years in prison, split between Robben Island, Portsmouth Prison, Victor Verster Prison.
His government focused on dismantling legacy of apartheid by tackling institutionalized racism and fostering racial reconciliation.
Rojan, please read it out.
Sir, I was absent.
Okay. Then Bibin.
He declined a second presidential term and in 1992 was succeeded by his deputy Thabo Mbeki.
Okay, well done students. I hope you have got a clear picture about Nelson Mandela. Today we are going to learn about the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, A Long Walk to Freedom. So please take out your textbook.
Dear friends, let's have peace and unity. Light and dark, big and small, give the opportunities to all. To get equality, we all need to get away from color, caste, racism and all. Let's walk into the world of equality. Let us continue every day to be inspired by Nelson Mandela's lifelong example. Thank you.